As we approach the holiday season, the Parañaque Integrated Terminal Exchange or PITX has witnessed an increase in passengers. Some individuals have opted to embark on their journey as early as today to circumvent the anticipated holiday rush. However, the surge in demand has led to some bus companies being fully booked from today until the end of December.
Nag-leave po talaga ako ng maaga kasi alam ko po madaming uuwi sa probinsya. Kaya sabi ko, may leave credits naman ako. That's why umuwi na lang ako ng mas maaga. Pinayagan naman ako ng leader ko.
Mas maganda pag kasi syempre nakakakuha ka ng kung ano yung seat number na gusto mo. Tapos hindi ka nagmamadali para mahirap pagka ganito. Halimbawa, babiyahe ka ngayon, tapos ngayon ka lang kukuha ng ticket, kakabaka-baka. Siyempre, baka mamaya, wala kang makuhang ticket. Chance passenger ka na lang. Mag-aantay ka ng mga extra na bus. Mahirap yun.
PITX officials are gearing up for what they expect to be a significant exodus of passengers starting Friday night. According to Jason Salvador, head of PITX Corporate Affairs, the terminal has been preparing for the situation since early as November.
Gusto natin habang nandito sila at pagsakay nila sa mga pampublikong sasakyan ay maigting yung security natin. Kita nyo naman pagpasok pa lang nila ng terminal, may mga metal detectors na tayo para ma-prevent yung makakapagpasok ng matatalim na bagay or yung mga armas na pwedeng gamitin sa hindi ka nais-nais na bagay. And dito katuwang natin ng LTO, nagsasagawa sila ng mga random checks dito upang tiyakin na only roadworthy public utility vehicles are deployed, especially this holiday season. Kasi alam naman natin, maraming biyahe yan, di ba?
Their readiness plan focuses on what he calls the 3S. Number 1 is seats, ensuring a sufficient number of buses are available to accommodate the growing number of passengers. Second is security, emphasizing the safety of passengers within the terminal. And lastly, safety, prioritizing the well-being of passengers throughout their journey.
Hindi lang po yung mga bus units natin, kundi pati ang ating mga bus drivers ay random na mga drug test at masigurado po natin na maayos po ang kanilang magiging pagpatakbo.